Hey guys, Kev here. Today we are in Siesta Key, Florida, down at the beach. It's a beautiful sunny day. We're lucky to be here in this warm weather. And I'm gonna explain something I've been learning how to do, which is spinning on your heel wheels. It's a balance trick and you have to be kind of a little traveling to get some momentum to do it. I first would recommend, I think, for me, I had to basically get comfortable with being on my heel wheels only and doing what's called a heely wheelie. And what that is you're traveling, you know, with some speed, not fast, 1 foot forward, front of the other, and you go up on your heel wheels only. And to do that, you want to lean forward over your feet to counterbalance, obviously flipping backwards. So get comfortable with that first, and then you can start practicing spinning on those heel wheels. And you're going to be traveling to do this with a little bit of speed, doing the heel wheelie, rolling along on your heel wheels only. And I spin to my right with my right foot in front of the left. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little speed going, and to do that, to do these spins, for me, I have to have my toes pointing a little bit out of each other, and you're kind of in this stance like the first part of the 5-star, which is like that. Okay, you wanna get comfortable with being balanced like that. And again, to do that, stand with your toes out and your heel wheels in, and you're just gonna be like, you're gonna kick your feet out in front of you, nice Lambo, and just go like that. And put your hands over your feet and your head over your feet. That's gonna counterbalance flipping back. So get comfortable with being in that position first, okay? And now I'm gonna travel and actually do the spin.
Okay.
Ready?
All right.
I'm gonna try to do it right in this area. Get a little speed, up on the heel wheels.
Ooh.
And that's it. I didn't spin many times, but I spun once.
Okay.
Now, we got the Lambo coming back around, so might have to wait just a second. Maybe I got time to do it one more time.
Okay.
Up on the heel wheels.
Oh! Wow!
Do it again.
All right.
Get some speed. Dang it, I messed up. Try it again. There you go. Kind of a slow spin.
Slow-mo.
Let the Lambo go by again.
All right.
He's coming behind you.
Yeah.
But basically, yeah, you want to get comfortable in that first part of the 5-star. And once you got that balance down, you know, this is not an easy trick. So it's going to take some practice. As you can see, I'm messing up. But I'm going to try it again now that the Lambo's gone. And I'll see if I can get a couple more spins, more than just 1 360.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah. And coming through. Oh!
I think I need a little more speed.
All right. Oh! Hey,
Yeah.
smooth.
So there was what, that 3?
Yeah, that was pretty
those were
smooth
fun.
there.
That was pretty smooth. So they're real fun, guys. So hopefully, if you're interested in learning this, we'd love to hear your comments, because all these little fun things that we learn, we just like passing along to you guys, and hopefully you can learn and pick them up. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you liked it, hit that like button. And for more content, don't forget to hit the bell, and please subscribe. And thank you again for watching. We appreciate it.